This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. How to improve safety and security with NEMT software. The pandemic changed everything about how we think about safety and security in medical transportation. If you're running an NEMT operation or considering entering this industry, this video is absolutely essential. Smash that subscribe button because today we're diving deep into how technology can revolutionize patient safety and security. The pandemic reminded us of our vulnerability on personal and collective levels. Even with extensive safety nets and advanced technology, COVID-19 affected billions, with effects still felt today. New safety protocols required robust digital platforms. Mobile apps and software proved crucial in making testing, tracking, and vaccination protocols work. In the NEMT industry, safety and security are top post-pandemic concerns. But how can NEMT software improve them in the digital age? Enhancing safety and security in non-emergency medical transportation. NEMT companies have many options to enhance safety and security: policy changes, training and management, and technology investments. Safety policies and procedures. NEMT operators should develop additional safety protocols focusing on passenger safety, on-the-road safety, driver procedures, fleet maintenance protocols. Passenger policies include providing information on medical support and equipment needed during transport. Driver safety procedures focus on vehicle checkups, emergency training, and safety guidelines to ensure regular inspections and safety standard compliance. Employee training and management. NEMT providers can implement training programs covering emergency and safety procedures, safe and defensive driving practices, basic first aid, fleet maintenance, software integration. These programs ensure drivers have thorough safety knowledge and empower staff to optimize every part of the passenger's trip. Pre-trip assessment and planning. NEMT companies can add pre-trip assessments to identify safety risks. Each assessment allows necessary safety measures and new protocols to minimize trip issues. Assessments include checking traffic and road conditions, weather forecasts, road closures, and route planning. This helps drivers and providers prepare for emergencies from natural phenomena or road conditions. Evaluation of ongoing safety performance. NEMT operators need constant monitoring and evaluation of current safety performance as a basis for improvement. Evaluations include reviewing accident reports, driver evaluations, cancellations, and no-shows. This information helps identify which procedures need adding or changing for continued success. Additional investments in technology. GPS tracking enhances safety and security for transport providers. Automated emergency response systems and in-vehicle cameras offer real-time trip monitoring. NEMT software provides essential monitoring tools, improves security and emergency response times, and collects data from passengers, vehicles, and drivers for data-driven safety decisions. How NEMT software can help ensure safe and secure patient transport. Robust NEMT software improves overall transport services. Here's how it takes security and safety to the next level. Accommodate vital medical equipment. NEMT software booking features let patients identify needed medical equipment. Dispatching features match the best vehicle and driver with patient needs. NEMT providers have specialized mobility equipment and tools, ensuring safe patient transport while following vehicle safety guidelines. Assist passengers with medical conditions. NEMT software makes scheduling easy for passengers with medical conditions through automated scheduling. They can add trips, choose transport modes, and identify needed medical support. Patients can inform providers if they need staff with specialized medical knowledge. Reliable scheduling and dispatch. Software ensures safe, secure passenger transport with reliable automated scheduling and dispatch. It finds times accommodating both patient and driver while ensuring the driver and vehicle meet all requirements. Passengers can reschedule or cancel trips, immediately notifying providers to avoid charges when done in advance. Efficient scheduling and routing. NEMT software schedules the most efficient routes considering patient condition, vehicle safety requirements, and current road and weather conditions. It assesses trip duration, ensuring timely pickup and drop-off. Benefits of NEMT software in improving safety and security. Improved scheduling and coordination software streamlines scheduling for drivers, patients, and vehicles, reducing cancellations, no-shows, and missed appointments. It makes fleet management easy and dispatches vehicles quickly. Driver and fleet management systems monitor licenses, insurance policies, and driving records. Fleet maintenance features ensure vehicle checks before and after trips. Real-time monitoring GPS tracking provides real-time driver and vehicle monitoring. Providers can track trips once started, with management teams knowing patient locations throughout trips. On-time communication and notifications software facilitates communication among drivers, patients, healthcare providers, and dispatchers. Everyone gets the right information at the right time through trip notifications and updates. Integration of electronic health records. NEMT software integrates with electronic health record systems, giving providers access to information for optimal patient care during transport. Verification of patient identity software verifies patient identity through biometric scans, vital information, and ID scans, ensuring correct patient pickup at designated points. Ensures HIPAA compliance. Finally, NEMT software ensures transport operators, insurance companies, and healthcare facilities follow HIPAA compliance, protecting patient health information privacy. NEMT software protects patients and providers. The right NEMT software provides numerous benefits to passengers and operators, improving safety and security in daily operations, trips, and information security. The technology is constantly evolving, and staying ahead means better protection for your patients and your business. What safety challenges have you faced in your NEMT operations? Have you implemented any of these software solutions? Share your experiences in the comments. Your insights could help other providers. If this video helped you understand how technology can enhance NEMT safety, hit that like button and share it with fellow providers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more NEMT industry content, safety tips, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring innovations that keep patients safe and operations running smoothly.